Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina Iqbal. As you know, the format of our program is that we always try to share a very simple and easy recipe with you so you can make it in your own place at your own home, and you can enjoy the food with your family and friend. The menu for today's program is we're gonna make chicken fried rice with chicken Manchurian. So we're not going to waste any time here furthermore. So I will introduce the ingredients first and then we start our cooking. First of all, for making chicken Manchurian, we need 1 kg chicken, and we need some red chili powder, black pepper, salt, we got garlic paste, soya sauce, vinegar, ketchup, chili sauce, and some corn flour to make it a bit thicker. And the vegetables we need for that is capsicum, which we already cut it in cubes, and we got some onions. Last not the least, we need some cooking oil for our cooking. And now I'm gonna introduce the ingredients to make the chicken fried rice. First of all, we need some rice. I got nearly 2.5 glasses of rice, which already washed and prepared for cooking. We need some vegetables. I got 1 cup of capsicum, which is finely chopped, 1 cup of cabbage, which I already finely chopped for you. We got 1 cup of carrots, red carrots, Pakistani carrots, easily available any grocery shop you can purchase them. We got spring onions, 2 or 3 spring onions. When we chop them, they nearly become 1 cup of spring onions. You can find them and known as green onions as well. And we got the onion, which I chopped finely as well. And we need some sugar, salt, which is already I introduced salt. We need some black pepper, and we got the chicken because we are making chicken fried rice. We got 5 eggs here and some water. So let's start our cooking. First of all, what I will do, I got a pan, and in this pan I got nearly 3 liters of water. I'm gonna put the flame on so water can heat itself up. When it's got 1 boil, we're gonna add our rice in it. So meanwhile, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. So salt is according to the taste and the amount of the rice you got. So I got nearly 2.5 glass of rice, so I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of salt in it. And what I'm gonna put nearly 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is the tip of the day as well, because whenever we boil rice, if we don't add oil in it, they all become together, like become a ball sort of thingy. So if we put some oil in it, it will keep it separate, like we put oil in pasta. So while our water is boiling, we're gonna marinate our chicken for our chicken Manchurian. So first of all, I got this chicken, which got 1-inch cubes, which is boneless. It's washed and prepared to use, as you can see. Now I'm gonna add nearly 1 tablespoon of black pepper in it, black pepper powder, and we're gonna put that on a side. Now what we need some salt. Salt, we're not gonna put too much because we're gonna add soya sauce in it. So it's nearly 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Why we marinating this before? Because we have to leave this for 10 to 15 minutes to settle itself down. So I'm marinating chicken. Meanwhile, we're gonna boil our rice, and then we're gonna start preparing our gravy for chicken Manchurian. So this is white vinegar, easily available from any grocery shop you can purchase. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar in that. And here we go some soya sauce. So we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of soya salt, because soya salt is salty itself, so that's why I reduced the amount of salt I'm using in my recipe. That's 3, that's 4, that's 5, and 6. Okay. So I'm gonna give a kick to my recipe. So because we added black pepper, I'm gonna add a little bit red chili powder as well. This is hot, extra hot, so I'm just using 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder as well. Now we're gonna mix it well. You can use a spoon, otherwise you can use your hand as well. So first of all, I will try to mix it in a spoon. So what we did, for 1 kg chicken, we added 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 6 tablespoons of soya sauce, and a little bit red chili powder. And I'm just trying to mix it properly. Make sure it's mixed properly so all the chicken get all the marination. Because we got 1 kg chicken, I'm using the amount of all these spices, but if you go less than that, then you can reduce all the spices and according to the amount of your chicken. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to mix my ingredients properly so our chicken can be marinated properly. Okay, here we go, it's done. You can use your hand as well, but I think it's good enough to use a spoon at the moment because it's not too much mixing. So you can see it's marinated. Now we're gonna leave this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes to absorb all the ingredients in there. So we're gonna leave it on a side. Meanwhile, I will have a look. Look, our water is boiled now. So I'm gonna add our rice. They are nearly 2.5 glasses of water. We're gonna add them in and we're gonna boil them. Just try to give a quick stir. So I will just give you a quick recap about boiling our rice. What we did, we got 3 liters of water. We added 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in it. We added extra virgin olive oil. You can use any of that. And we let the water boil. As it got quick boiled, then we added our rice in it. So meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the sauce for our chicken Manchurian. We're gonna put the flame on the next cooker. Now we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. That much is good enough. And we're gonna wait till our cooking oil heats itself up. We're gonna keep an eye on our rice as well. Because this is a long recipe, what I did all my chopping beforehand, so it's gonna be easy for me to quickly cook. Because all these Chinese recipes, what they need to do, they take longer time in chopping and it takes very less time to cook. So we're waiting for our rice to boil. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our Manchurian sauce. I put the nearly 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And now we're gonna add our one tablespoon of garlic paste in it. You can even add the chopped garlic, but I love to put the paste because I don't want the chunks in my mouth because I don't like them. But it's entirely up to you. You can use the paste, either you can chop the garlic and add it in. There's 2 different ways to make the chicken Manchurian. In some people, what they do, when they marinate the chicken, they add corn flour in it, and then they fry the chicken, like deep frying, and then they make the sauce and add the stuff in it. But because we are very health conscious people and we believe to eat healthy food, so I'm making in a different way. I just marinated my chicken, and now just using very less amount of the oil, like 3 tablespoons, and now I added 1 tablespoon of garlic paste in it, which is freshly prepared. As it slightly changes color, I'm gonna add my chicken in it. Here is the time for a very short break, so don't go anywhere. Keep watching Zaiqa World, only on TV 99.
चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल उबले हुए 2.5 ग्लास, चिकन आधा किलो बोनलेस, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, बंद गोभी 1 कप, शिमला मिर्च 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, गाजर 1 अदद, हरी प्याज 2 अदद, प्याज 1 अदद, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन 2 से 4 जवे, अंडे 4 अदद, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, चीनी 2 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च 1 खाने के चम्मच। चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक पतीली में पानी, नमक और 2 खाने के चम्मच तेल डालकर चावल उबाल लें। अब दूसरे बर्तन में तेल गर्म करके लहसुन डालें और साथ ही इसमें चिकन शामिल करके इतना पकाएं कि उसका रंग तब्दील हो जाए। फिर इसके अंदर काली मिर्च, नमक, गाजर, शिमला मिर्च, प्याज, बंद गोभी, हरी प्याज डालकर सोया सॉस के साथ 1 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। इसके बाद उबले चावल डालकर 8 से 10 मिनट तक आहिस्ता आंच पर पकाएं। फिर एक पैन में अंडे फेंट कर फ्राई करें और इसका चूरा करके चावलों में शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस तैयार है। For Chinese chicken and egg fried rice, we need boiled rice 2.5 glass, chicken 1/2 kg boneless, salt to taste, cabbage 1 cup, capsicum 1 chopped, carrot 1 chopped, green onion 2 chopped, onion 1 chopped, oil 4 tablespoons, chopped garlic 2 to 4 cloves, beaten eggs 4, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, water to boil rice, black pepper 1 tablespoon. Cooking directions: boil rice with 1 tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cut all the veggies like cabbage, capsicum, carrot, green onions and onion. Heat oil in a pan, added chopped garlic, saute it, then added chicken and fry it until change its color. Then added all the veggies. Now added salt, soya sauce, sugar and rice. Toast gently so everything mixed. Simmer on slow heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now in another pan, heat oil, added eggs in it and break eggs into small pieces. Then mix them with rice and mix well. Chinese chicken egg fried rice are ready to eat. Garnish to serve. चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, रेड चिली सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, सफ़ेद सिरका 1 खाने का चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च आधा खाने का चम्मच। सॉस के लिए हमें चाहिए सफ़ेद सिरका आधा कप, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कटा हुआ, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, टोमेटो केचप 1 कप, प्याज 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, कॉर्नफ्लोर 5 खाने के चम्मच। चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चिकन में सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, नमक और काली मिर्च का पाउडर मिलाकर आधे घंटे के लिए रख दें। फिर कढ़ाई में तेल गरम करके लहसुन का पेस्ट डालें और हल्का सा भून लें। अब इसमें चिकन शामिल करें और 2 मिनट तक फ्राई कर लें। अब इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी शामिल करें और साथ में प्याज, शिमला मिर्च, सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, चिली सॉस, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर और टोमेटो केचप शामिल करके पकने के लिए छोड़ दें। जैसे ही सॉस में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें कॉर्नफ्लोर को पानी में शामिल करके घोल कर डाल दें और जल्दी जल्दी चम्मच चलाएं। जब सॉस गाढ़ी हो जाए तो चिकन मंचूरियन तैयार है। For chicken Manchurian, we need chicken 1 kg, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper ½ tablespoon. For sauce, we need garlic chopped 3 tablespoons, cooking oil 4 tablespoons, vinegar ½ cup, soya sauce 2 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder ½ tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 cup, onion 2 finely chopped, capsicums 2 finely chopped, corn flour 5 tablespoons. Cooking directions: cut chicken breast into the cubes, marinate in soya sauce, vinegar, salt and black pepper. Leave it for 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a wok and added garlic to saute. Added marinated chicken and cook until it water dries. Added water, chopped onion and capsicum. Cook it well. Then added vinegar, soya sauce, red chili, salt, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix it well and cook to come boiling point. Dissolve some corn flour in water and added corn flour to sauce to make a thick gravy. Keep the flame high. Check the consistency of gravy. Now pour the gravy in serving dish and serve it with fried rice.
Welcome back after a very short break. You're watching me on Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina Iqbal. We are making today the chicken fried rice and chicken Manchurian. Here what we doing before our break, we heated up our oil, added some garlic in it, and now we're gonna add our chicken which we marinated before. Okay, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir it. Okay, let the chicken, as the chicken gonna change its color, we're gonna start adding our spices in it. Meanwhile, I will have a quick glance on our rice. They're not boiled yet, so probably need some more time. Keep stirring it so chicken can be cooked equally from all sides. And if you use a baby chicken, you don't really need too much to fry. While I was sharing with you, some people try to make the Manchurian in a different way. What they do, they marinate their chicken and then they coat in the corn flour and then they deep fry it. But if you are health conscious, then you have to cook less calorie food. This is the best way to cook the Manchurian. Okay. Probably a few more minutes for our rice. When they're ready to drain the water. Okay, you can see the chicken is changing its color. And our rice is ready, so I'm gonna switch off the flame and I'm gonna drain my rice so all the water come out. Okay, as you can see, the chicken changes color completely. Now the water come out as well, so that's mean our chicken is cooking properly. I'm gonna add our onions. You can even add capsicum, but I love to have the capsicum a bit less softened, so I'm gonna add the capsicum at the end. So we're gonna mix our onion in it. So capsicum can be crispy. So it's up to you. If you want to add it, you want it very soft, then you can add with your onions. But if you want a bit crispy taste of capsicum, then I'm going to add it at the end. So I'm going to pour some water in to make some gravy. So the chicken can be cooked properly in that water, and we got some sauce and gravy to put on our chicken fried rice. So in this stage, now I'm gonna add rest of the spices. Here is nearly half cup of vinegar. I'm gonna add that in. If you don't want to add vinegar, you can add lemon juice. This is 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. I'm gonna add that in. And here we go, some soya sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of soya sauce. Because the Manchurian is always spicy, so I'm trying to make it spicy. This is our red chili powder. It's very hot. You can choose the powder you want according to your taste. It's nearly half tablespoon we're gonna add in. Actually less than half tablespoon. Okay. Now we're gonna stir it and let the chicken cook itself. We're gonna wait until it gets a quick boil, and then we're gonna add rest of our ingredients in it. In another pan, I'm gonna start making I'm gonna start preparing myself for our chicken fried rice. First of all, I need nearly 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can choose whatever you like. And as the oil gonna heat up, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, which is freshly prepared. I always suggest you to make fresh products because first of all they're healthy, secondly there's no preservations in it, so it's good to eat. You can see the garlic changing its color, so at that stage we're gonna add our chicken strips, which I chop very tiny pieces. It's very easy to cook at your own home, chicken fried rice. Especially when you cook for your family and friends, they will be very happy to see like you are working for them, and they will be glad to eat. And plus they're homemade, so they are healthy. Health point of view, you know the calories, what you're eating and how you're cooking. So it's more hygienic if you cook at your own place at home. I'm just stirring it so chicken can be cooked equally from all the sides. As the chicken gonna change its color, it's gonna turn slightly brown. Then we're gonna start adding our veggies and our spices in it. Okay, if you don't like too hot or too spicy food, you can change the quantity of the spices according to your taste and desire. And all these people who they are students living in Europe and UK, they must be learning new things from our show. And whenever you give us a feedback, we are very happy and glad for that. And if you send us any requests, we try to prepare it for you. And here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back after a very short break. Keep watching Zaiqa World, only on TV 99.
चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल उबले हुए 2.5 ग्लास, चिकन आधा किलो बोनलेस, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, बंद गोभी 1 कप, शिमला मिर्च 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, गाजर 1 अदद, हरी प्याज 2 अदद, प्याज 1 अदद, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन 2 से 4 जवे, अंडे 4 अदद, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, चीनी 2 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च 1 खाने के चम्मच। चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक पतीली में पानी, नमक और 2 खाने के चम्मच तेल डालकर चावल उबाल लें। अब दूसरे बर्तन में तेल गर्म करके लहसुन डालें और साथ ही इसमें चिकन शामिल करके इतना पकाएं कि उसका रंग तब्दील हो जाए। फिर इसके अंदर काली मिर्च, नमक, गाजर, शिमला मिर्च, प्याज, बंद गोभी, हरी प्याज डालकर सोया सॉस के साथ 1 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। इसके बाद उबले चावल डालकर 8 से 10 मिनट तक आहिस्ता आंच पर पकाएं। फिर एक पैन में अंडे फेंटकर फ्राई करें और इसका चूरा करके चावलों में शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस तैयार है। For Chinese chicken and egg fried rice, we need boiled rice 2.5 glass, chicken 1/2 kg boneless, salt to taste, cabbage 1 cup, capsicum 1 chopped, carrot 1 chopped, green onions 2 chopped, onion 1 chopped, oil 4 tablespoons, chopped garlic 2 to 4 cloves, beaten eggs 4, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, water to boiled rice, black pepper 1 tablespoon. Cooking directions: boil rice with 1 tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cut all the veggies like cabbage, capsicum, carrot, green onions and onion. Heat oil in a pan, add it chopped garlic, saute it, then add it chicken and fry it until change its color. Then add it all the veggies. Now add it salt, soya sauce, sugar and rice. Toast gently so everything mixed. Simmer on slow heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now in another pan, heat oil, add it eggs in it and break eggs into small pieces. Then mix them with rice and mix well. Chinese chicken eggs fried rice are ready to eat. Garnish to serve. चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, रेड चिली सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, सफ़ेद सिरका 1 खाने का चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च आधा खाने का चम्मच। सॉस के लिए हमें चाहिए सफ़ेद सिरका आधा कप, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कटा हुआ, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, टोमेटो केचप 1 कप, प्याज 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, कॉर्नफ्लोर 5 खाने के चम्मच। चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चिकन में सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, नमक और काली मिर्च का पाउडर मिलाकर आधे घंटे के लिए रख दें। फिर कढ़ाई में तेल गरम करके लहसुन का पेस्ट डालें और हल्का सा भून लें। अब इसमें चिकन शामिल करें और 2 मिनट तक फ्राई कर लें। अब इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी शामिल करें और साथ में प्याज, शिमला मिर्च, सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, चिली सॉस, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर और टोमेटो केचप शामिल करके पकने के लिए छोड़ दें। जैसे ही सॉस में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें कॉर्नफ्लोर को पानी में शामिल करके घोल कर डाल दें और जल्दी जल्दी चम्मच चलाएं। जब सॉस गाढ़ी हो जाए तो चिकन मंचूरियन तैयार है। For chicken Manchurian, we need chicken 1 kg, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper half tablespoon. For sauce, we need garlic chopped 3 tablespoon, cooking oil 4 tablespoon, vinegar half cup, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 cup, onion 2 finely chopped, capsicums 2 finely chopped, corn flour 5 tablespoon. Cooking directions: cut chicken breast into the cubes, marinate in soya sauce, vinegar, salt and black pepper. Leave it for 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a wok and added garlic to saute. Added marinated chicken and cook until it water dries. Added water, chopped onion and capsicum. Cook it well. Then added vinegar, soya sauce, red chili, salt, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix it well and cook to come boiling point. Dissolve some corn flour in water and added corn flour to sauce to make a thick gravy. Keep the flame high. Check the consistency of gravy. Now pour the gravy in serving dish and serve it with fried rice.
Welcome back after a very short break. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina Iqbal, and today we are making in our kitchen chicken Manchurian and chicken fried rice. Before we went for a very short break, what we was actually trying to stir our chicken, and the chicken slightly changed its color, it's turning golden, and now is the time when we're gonna add more spices in it. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, because we already added salt in our rice which we boiled before, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of salt in it because we're gonna add some soya sauce, and soya sauce is salty. And here we go, some sugar. It give a quick punch to your recipe so you can feel the texture and taste of all the ingredients. Now lower the heat. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Like that, I made chicken sour, hot and sour soup for you, and I added sugar in it. So because it's enhanced the taste of your recipe. So I'm gonna stir it, and we're gonna add nearly 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and we can see let it simmer itself, and meanwhile I will have a quick look of our Manchurian. You can see this, our Manchurian had a quick boil. So at that stage I'm gonna add our tomato ketchup in it, and then we probably add some corn flour to make it thicker. Here we go, nearly 1 cup of tomato ketchup. Now we are going to gently stir it. can boil itself, chicken can be cooked properly, and then we're gonna add some corn flour so we can make our gravy a bit thicker. You can see the color of our recipe. It's very nice. We don't use any food color. It's natural. It's all ingredients are organic. Now we're gonna add our veggies in it. First of all, I will add onions, green onions. Actually, you can mix them all and add them. See how colorful our recipe gonna be. Okay, that's done. Now I'm gonna just quickly stir them. Look at that color, how colorful it is. Let it cook itself under with high heat. While I will have a look on the Manchurian. You can check your chicken if it's cooked or not. Chicken piece. No, it still needs some time to cook itself. Like our chicken fried rice. Check the texture of it. It looks so good. All the colors in our recipe. So we are stirring our vegetables and chicken at the moment for our chicken fried rice. You can see the water is come out and the veggies are cooking themselves in the same water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave it for 5 more minutes so they can be soften itself, and then we're gonna add our rice in it and we're gonna stir it. So I'm gonna cover my pot with the lid and we're gonna have a quick glance on our chicken Manchurian. Okay, you can see it's bubbling. I'm gonna stir it. And it's cooking nicely. And now I'm gonna check one of my chicken piece. If that cooked properly. No, it still needs some time. It's been cooked, but we need some time so it can be softened properly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and leave it for another 5 minutes. So our chicken gonna be soft enough. And meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our corn flour. I got here nearly 5 tablespoons of corn flour. And we're gonna add some cold water in it and we're gonna stir it. In this recipe, we are using corn flour to thicken our Manchurian. And the tip I'm gonna give you today is whenever you're dissolving corn flour, always dissolve in the cold water because it's best. Otherwise, it will be half cooked during your dissolving. And you probably can see this white stuff, like so egg in your food. So it's being dissolved properly. Okay, what we did, we dissolved our corn flour and now I'm gonna add my capsicum in my Manchurian so they can slightly be softened and crunchy. So this is nearly 2 capsicum and I'm gonna stir it. Okay, have a quick look on our, give few minutes more, and then we're gonna add our boiled rice in it, which we boiled earlier on. And now I'm gonna add our corn flour, so soup can be thickened. Okay, when you're adding corn flour, continuously stir your soup so it will be added properly. So what we did, we added nearly 5 tablespoons of corn flour. In cold water we dissolved it, and now we add in our Manchurian. So it can simmer in very low flame and it can be thickened itself. Okay, I'm put our flame very low and simmer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna have a quick. And this is the time when we're gonna add boiled rice in it. Okay viewers, here's the time for a very short break. We will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV 99.
चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल उबले हुए 2.5 ग्लास, चिकन आधा किलो बोनलेस, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, बंद गोभी 1 कप, शिमला मिर्च 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, गाजर 1 अदद, हरी प्याज 2 अदद, प्याज 1 अदद, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन 2 से 4 जवे, अंडे 4 अदद, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, चीनी 2 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च 1 खाने के चम्मच। चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक पतीली में पानी, नमक और 2 खाने के चम्मच तेल डालकर चावल उबाल लें। अब दूसरे बर्तन में तेल गर्म करके लहसुन डालें और साथ ही इसमें चिकन शामिल करके इतना पकाएं कि उसका रंग तब्दील हो जाए। फिर इसके अंदर काली मिर्च, नमक, गाजर, शिमला मिर्च, प्याज, बंद गोभी, हरी प्याज डालकर सोया सॉस के साथ 1 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। इसके बाद उबले चावल डालकर 8 से 10 मिनट तक आहिस्ता आंच पर पकाएं। फिर एक पैन में अंडे फेंट कर फ्राई करें और इसका चूरा करके चावलों में शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस तैयार है। For Chinese chicken and egg fried rice, we need boiled rice 2.5 glass, chicken 1/2 kg boneless, salt to taste, cabbage 1 cup, capsicum 1 chopped, carrot 1 chopped, green onions 2 chopped, onion 1 chopped, oil 4 tablespoons, chopped garlic 2 to 4 cloves, beaten eggs 4, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, water to boiled rice, black pepper 1 tablespoon. Cooking directions: boil rice with 1 tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cut all the veggies like cabbage, capsicum, carrot, green onions and onion. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, saute it, then add chicken and fry it until change its color. Then add all the veggies. Now add salt, soya sauce, sugar and rice. Toast gently so everything mixed. Simmer on slow heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now in another pan, heat oil, add eggs in it and break eggs into small pieces. Then mix them with rice and mix well. Chinese chicken egg fried rice are ready to eat. Garnish to serve. चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, रेड चिली सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, सफ़ेद सिरका 1 खाने का चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च आधा खाने का चम्मच। सॉस के लिए हमें चाहिए सफ़ेद सिरका आधा कप, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटा हुआ, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, टोमेटो केचप 1 कप, प्याज 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, कॉर्नफ्लोर 5 खाने के चम्मच। चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चिकन में सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, नमक और काली मिर्च का पाउडर मिलाकर आधे घंटे के लिए रख दें। फिर कढ़ाई में तेल गरम करके लहसुन का पेस्ट डालें और हल्का सा भून लें। अब इसमें चिकन शामिल करें और 2 मिनट तक फ्राई कर लें। अब इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी शामिल करें और साथ में प्याज, शिमला मिर्च, सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, चिली सॉस, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर और टोमेटो केचप शामिल करके पकने के लिए छोड़ दें। जैसे ही सॉस में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें कॉर्नफ्लोर को पानी में शामिल करके घोल कर डाल दें और जल्दी जल्दी चम्मच चलाएं। जब सॉस गाढ़ी हो जाए तो चिकन मंचूरियन तैयार है। For chicken Manchurian, we need chicken 1 kg, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper ½ tablespoon. For sauce, we need garlic chopped 3 tablespoons, cooking oil 4 tablespoons, vinegar ½ cup, soya sauce 2 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder ½ tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 cup, onion 2 finely chopped, capsicums 2 finely chopped, corn flour 5 tablespoons. Cooking directions: cut chicken breast into the cubes, marinate in soya sauce, vinegar, salt and black pepper. Leave it for 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a wok and added garlic to saute. Added marinated chicken and cook until it water dries. Added water, chopped onion and capsicum. Cook it well. Then added vinegar, soya sauce, red chili, salt, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix it well and cook to come boiling point. Dissolve some corn flour in water and added corn flour to sauce to make a thick gravy. Keep the flame high. Check the consistency of gravy. Now pour the gravy in serving dish and serve it with fried rice.
Welcome back after a very short break. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina Iqbal. We are making today the chicken fried rice and chicken Manchurian for you. So before we went for a break, what we was doing, we were stirring our veggies, and now it's time to add our boiled rice in it. So we're gonna add them. And I'm gonna stir them as well while I'm adding our rice in it, so they can mix properly with more rice. Because I added cooking oil while I was boiling my rice, you can see each and every grain is separate. So this is the tip as well. Whenever you're cooking or boiling your rice, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil so they won't be like smudged up together. Okay, last rice is done, so I can mix our veggies and chicken in it. Very high flame. Mix it properly. So all the ingredients can be mixed properly in your rice. And flavor can be absorbed in. Okay. Now stir for 3 to 4 minutes and then they're ready to serve. At the end, what we're gonna do, we're gonna beat our egg and make the egg flakes, and then we're gonna add those in our rice. Then it's ready to serve. Meanwhile, we have a quick glance on our Manchurian. You can see our gravy is not only looking nice, it's also mouth-watering. I can smell it. It's smelling very nice. So our chicken Manchurian is ready. Look, my mouth is watering and it's ready. So we're gonna quickly stir our rice. Okay, rice are ready too. So now what we're gonna make our egg so we can put on our rice and then we can serve them. I'm gonna change the cooker. Here we got a pan. So we're gonna prepare our egg here. I nearly need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And we got here 5 eggs, which I'm gonna beat them properly. As our oil is heating, I'm beating my eggs. These for our chicken fried rice. Egg is beaten properly, so I'm gonna add them in and I'm gonna stir them. Carry on stirring. So they can turn into very small chunks, which we're gonna add in our chicken fried rice. You can see, viewers, how easy to cook our recipe. Basically, whenever you cook some Chinese food, the chopping need more time than cooking, because when you chop everything, you prepare it, then you can quickly add in, and it will roughly probably take 10-20 minutes to cook all the Chinese food, whatever you're cooking. As the preparation take more time. Like what I did, when I put egg in, I was carry on stirring. If you don't like the egg yolk, you can just use the egg whites, but I'm here using 5 whole eggs itself. Carry on stirring so it can be small chunked. And if you like more spicy, so when you're making your egg, when you're beating it, just add bit of salt and bit of black pepper in it. Just break it with your spoon, so it will very small chunk. So you can add it in your chicken fried rice. Okay, they are ready. We're gonna close our flame. Now we're gonna add them in our rice, which is already prepared. Okay, so you can see now we're gonna add our egg in it, which we prepared in front of you. And now we're gonna stir it very well. So all the flavor can be absorbed in our rice and in our chicken and everything, all the veggies. You can see how colorful it is, and it's smelling very nice as well. So they are ready to serve. So our chicken Manchurian is ready, and we're gonna dish it out. You can see our veggies. I put the capsicum at the end because I like it crunchy, but if you want to soften it like you soften your onions, so you can add them as you fry your chicken. You can see the gravy, how thick it is. If you want a bit thinner, then you can add a bit more water and less corn flour, so it can be thick. Okay, we dished it out. Gonna leave it on the side, and now I'm gonna garnish that. And now we're gonna dish out our rice, which is chicken egg fried rice. Look at that, they are very colorful and they're mouth-watering too. And you can see the big chunks of chicken and okay, that's done. And now we're gonna garnish our fried rice with of the spring onions, which is finely chopped. And I got a very beautiful flower of the spring onion which I made earlier on. So we're gonna put down. You can see the texture, how colorful it is. So okay viewers, our recipe for today, the chicken egg fried rice and chicken Manchurian is ready to eat. So please do try our recipe at your home and do give us your feedback. We are looking forward for your feedback, and if you have any questions, queries about our program, or you wanna give us any recipe which we can cook for you, do not hesitate, do send us. We will definitely make the recipe for you. And take care and Allah Hafiz. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV99.
चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल उबले हुए 2.5 ग्लास, चिकन आधा किलो बोनलेस, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, बंद गोभी 1 कप, शिमला मिर्च 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, गाजर 1 अदद, हरी प्याज 2 अदद, प्याज 1 अदद, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन 2 से 4 जवे, अंडे 4 अदद, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, चीनी 2 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च 1 खाने के चम्मच। चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक पतीली में पानी, नमक और 2 खाने के चम्मच तेल डालकर चावल उबाल लें। अब दूसरे बर्तन में तेल गर्म करके लहसुन डालें और साथ ही इसमें चिकन शामिल करके इतना पकाएं कि उसका रंग तब्दील हो जाए। फिर इसके अंदर काली मिर्च, नमक, गाजर, शिमला मिर्च, प्याज, बंद गोभी, हरी प्याज डालकर सोया सॉस के साथ 1 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। इसके बाद उबले चावल डालकर 8 से 10 मिनट तक आहिस्ता आंच पर पकाएं। फिर एक पैन में अंडे फेंटकर फ्राई करें और इसका चूरा करके चावलों में शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार चाइनीज़ चिकन एंड एग फ्राइड राइस तैयार है। For Chinese chicken and egg fried rice, we need boiled rice 2.5 glass, chicken 1/2 kg boneless, salt to taste, cabbage 1 cup, capsicum 1 chopped, carrot 1 chopped, green onions 2 chopped, onion 1 chopped, oil 4 tablespoons, chopped garlic 2 to 4 cloves, beaten eggs 4, soya sauce 4 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, water to boil rice, black pepper 1 tablespoon. Cooking directions: boil rice with 1 tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cut all the veggies like cabbage, capsicum, carrot, green onions and onion. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, saute it, then add chicken and fry it until change its color. Then add all the veggies. Now add salt, soya sauce, sugar and rice. Toast gently so everything mixed. Simmer on slow heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now in another pan, heat oil, add eggs in it and break eggs into small pieces. Then mix them with rice and mix well. Chinese chicken eggs fried rice are ready to eat. Garnish to serve. चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, रेड चिली सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, सफ़ेद सिरका 1 खाने का चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, काली मिर्च आधा खाने का चम्मच। सॉस के लिए हमें चाहिए सफ़ेद सिरका आधा कप, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कटा हुआ, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे ज़रूरत, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, टोमेटो केचप 1 कप, प्याज 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, कॉर्नफ्लोर 5 खाने के चम्मच। चिकन मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चिकन में सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, नमक और काली मिर्च का पाउडर मिलाकर आधे घंटे के लिए रख दें। फिर कढ़ाई में तेल गरम करके लहसुन का पेस्ट डालें और हल्का सा भून लें। अब इसमें चिकन शामिल करें और 2 मिनट तक फ्राई कर लें। अब इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी शामिल करें और साथ में प्याज, शिमला मिर्च, सफ़ेद सिरका, सोया सॉस, चिली सॉस, सुर्ख मिर्च पाउडर और टोमेटो केचप शामिल करके पकने के लिए छोड़ दें। जैसे ही सॉस में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें कॉर्नफ्लोर को पानी में शामिल करके घोल कर डाल दें और जल्दी जल्दी चम्मच चलाएं। जब सॉस गाढ़ी हो जाए तो चिकन मंचूरियन तैयार है। For chicken Manchurian, we need chicken 1 kg, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper half tablespoon. For sauce, we need garlic chopped 3 tablespoon, cooking oil 4 tablespoon, vinegar half cup, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 cup, onion 2 finely chopped, capsicums 2 finely chopped, corn flour 5 tablespoon. Cooking directions: cut chicken breast into the cubes, marinate in soya sauce, vinegar, salt and black pepper. Leave it for 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a wok and added garlic to saute. Added marinated chicken and cook until it water dries. Added water, chopped onion and capsicum. Cook it well. Then added vinegar, soya sauce, red chili, salt, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix it well and cook to come boiling point. Dissolve some corn flour in water and added corn flour to sauce to make a thick gravy. Keep the flame high. Check the consistency of gravy. Now pour the gravy in serving dish and serve it with fried rice.